So right, hello my Forex traders, welcome back to YouTube channel. And yep, it's another episode of Forex Technical Analysis with Sai. And I hope you all had a good trading week last week because I had a great one as well. Put on one trade, won one trade, and met my target of 50 pips. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And also, I only like to win around 50 pips every week and then I'm out the market. So if you're new to the channel, that is my strategy. Once I earn myself 50 pips, I am out of the trade and I won't be trading for that week, but I also will leave setups for you lot to take. So right, let's get into it. The first currency pair we're looking at is AUD CAD, and this is one of my favorite pairs. Been having a good run on AUD CAD as well. So with AUD CAD, you can see the market has gone into this consolidation, and right now it's looked like it has broken that support level. But there's one reason why I'm not going into this trade, because I'm already in another trade, which I will get to once we get more into this video. So right, as you can see, now we'll go scrolling to the 1 hour time frame. You can see that we've had a candlestick close below this support level. So now what I really am looking for is price to come back and push and touch this support level here, reject it. So this broken support level will now hold as our new resistant level and market should continue towards the downside. That is one scenario. If not, then price will probably close back above this level and push back up towards the upside. So that's with AUD CAD. Keep our eyes on that. But I don't think I'll be getting into that trade this week unless we have any candlestick patterns that I like. For now, I'll leave that. With AUD JPY, you can see now, look, you can see market is failing to. We've had this support level here before, back a couple weeks ago. Let's say around in February, yeah. So this is like 3 weeks ago. We had this support level. Now market is touching this support level again. It looked like it is holding. It's going to hold, but the next few candlesticks will give us some good indication if this will hold as support level. But you can see we've had this nice little inverted shooting star happening, and you can see. So let's move on to AUD USD. So that with AUD USD, you can already see that I'm already in this trade. That's the whole reason why I didn't take AUD CAD, and we've had a break of this support level here. I did catch it a bit late. I would have liked to catch it spot on, but it's only 2 pips, 3 pips late. It's not no big difference. But yeah, you can see already that this market is running into a small margin of profit. But at the meantime, what I'm waiting for is market to push more down towards the downside of around 50 pips. So you can see I'm risking around 54 pips to gain around 50 pips. But also what I would like to note is that I am expecting a pullback towards this support level, which we will see if it's going to hold as our new resistant level. So with AUD USD, I'm currently sold on that and I'm just monitoring this trade. So let's move on to Euro AUD. Euro AUD, we've already missed this trade. This happened Monday afternoon. You can see we had a break of this resistant level and market's just shot towards the upside. So with Euro AUD, we've missed this trade. So right, let's move on to Euro JPY. I'll be honest with you, with Euro JPY, I'm not seeing much, but I am seeing some nice resistant level and support level. So this is our resistant level right here we mark, and this is our new support level. So with Euro JPY, yet again, it's a waiting game. We kind of missed this trade as well. This happened Tuesday. This happened Monday night around 2 a.m. So it's a bit hard to take those trades because I do not like to trade out of the London session. So you can see had a shot towards the downside, but look, it's having this pullback now. So with Euro JPY, we're just gonna have to watch it. And also you can see this was a winning trade as well last week what I took. So right, let's move on to Euro USD. Wow, this looks like a good trade to take. Now, if I be honest with you, because I'm already in AUD USD, I'm not going to take this trade, but this is a perfect trade to take right now. So I'm just going to draw up a sell opportunity on this. So we would have I took a sell trade right here of around 42 pips. We're going to risk around 42 pips to gain 50 pips, yeah? Remember what I said. So that's a sell trade opportunity on USD. You can see it's rejected off this resistant level, and look at this candlestick. This bearish candlestick is so nice right now. Look at it on a 1 hour time frame. Probably could have caught this a bit earlier, but at the moment, how it is right now, I like how the candlestick pattern is on a 4 hour time frame. So that's with Euro USD, a live setup right there. Let's move on to GBP AUD, and yeah, we've had this resistant level. It is touching. This is not quite accurate resistant level. Let's make this a bit more accurate. And there we have it, people. GBP AUD resistant level right there. We're just gonna have this level right here as our new support level. So that is some new support level for GBP AUD. Keep my eyes on this. Literally put this one on the watch list as well. With GBP Chef, you can see once we broke out this resistant level here, we have this push towards the upside and literally come back down towards this resistant level. So with GBP Chef, I'm just gonna highlight these resistant and support level to see how they hold in the future. So with GBP Chef, nothing much really going on, just these new support and resistant level, and let's see how they react in the future. GBP USD, the support level is very still strong. Had this support level since February, so we're now in March. It's still very, very strong. As you can see, every time it's touched this level, we have had a jump towards the upside. 1, 2, 3, but it's still failing to push above this resistant level right here. You can see market still failing to push above that price level. So it's interesting just to keep our eye on GBP USD to see how it reacts with those support and resistant level in the future. Let's move on to NZD CAD. You can see another trade that I took broke even. Didn't get that 50 pip mark, 50 pip hit profit what I wanted. Didn't get that, and I'm gonna clear everything off of this because this looks all over the place. And NZD CAD, you can see there's no really clear structure on this, so we're just gonna highlight these two areas here and see how it reacts with it in the future. I'm just gonna highlight those two areas there and see how it reacts with it. Let's move on to NZD USD. This was my winning trade last week. This trade played out very much perfectly. Not really much to say on NZUSD. No structure. The setup we had on that's already gone. So we're not going to be looking at any trades on NZUSD for right now, unless if we get any dramatic change. Let's move on to USD CAD. Oof. This is still trending towards the upside, but what you can see here is that we have some resistant level highlighting right there, and then this will be our support level. So you can see USD CAD has gone into this consolidation range. What would I do right now with USD CAD? I'll probably just keep an eye on it to see how it reacts with that resistant level. But also be careful for that break, because remember, this is trending up. Yeah, you can see it's above EMA as well. So we're just going to see how it reacts with that resistant level. Let's move on to USD JPY. This support level is holding pretty much strong. Yet again, I'm already in AD USD, so I'm not really going to put no other trades on. But also, you can also really take a buy position on this right now if you wanted to, because it has rejected that temporary support level. So if we was to go long now, hold on 1 second, let me just look at it on the hour. You know what? We've actually missed the train on this trade, because I would have liked to got in from this candlestick here. But you can also, if the 4 hour candlestick closed like this above this little hammer, then I would say we should take a buy. So with USD JPY amount, wow, that's a lot, isn't it? But also, you are risking a lot. Is it worth it? Nah, I wouldn't take this trade actually. Sorry people, forget about that, because it's well over 100 pips. It's not worth the risk. So kind of missed this trade already. The candlestick pattern we would have wanted to take this trade on a buy would have been this one right here. You can see we've missed it. That happened at 9 o'clock in the morning. So people, that's it. That brings it to another end of this episode of Forex Trading with Sai. As you can see, the trade that we are looking at for is GBP AUD. And there's one more trade I did put on. How can I forget already? And Euro USD, this trade right here, we'll be keeping an eye on as well. So this trade is actually good to go to sell right now. Just remember that this trade is good to sell right now if you're watching this video. Also, people, trade smart. Remember, trade with money that you can afford to lose. This is on your own accord if you take these trade. I'm not telling you to take this trade. That is a definite 100% winning trade. Do not treat the Forex market as a place to gamble, because you will lose, and it will not be nice when you start to actually lose money that you cannot afford. So remember, people, trade smart. Trade what you see. Don't trade with emotion. And I'll see you next time.